Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into forlolo.net, the best place on the planet to buy vintage electronics. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this GoVideo DVD VHS combo to show you. The model number is DV1040. It's got a bunch of features on it. It'll make it really convenient to watch both VHSs and DVDs all in the same unit. You can save some space in your entertainment center by just having this one unit instead of a DVD player and a VHS player. And it also makes it easy to operate because it only has one remote, and this way you won't have to lose remotes anymore. But let's go ahead and talk about it. So on the rear panel of it, you have your DVD options right here for playback. You can use standard audio with component, or you can use digital audio. You can connect it to a sound system. And then you have S-Video right here. And then for DVD and VCR, to have it on the same input, you have composite output right here, and then composite input. The input is for recording onto VHS. And then you have antenna input and output for receiving broadcasts. And this was manufactured December of 2004, and it was made in Korea. Connecting it's really simple. All you have to do is plug in the red, white, and yellow cable to the output on the back. And then once you have it all connected, you can go ahead and power it on and put a VHS and DVD in. And this is the original remote control for it. You've got a bunch of different functions on it. You can quickly jump to VCR or DVD just with the push of a button. And then you have your number pad. Then you've even got an eject button. You can use that to eject the tape. A lot of VHS players don't have that option. And then you have your setup button, so you can access the setup menus. Then you have display for displaying the counter.
And you'll win first prize at the fair tomorrow.
And then you can go to the menus, that's for the DVD side. And then you have fast forward and fast rewind. And if you hit stop and then fast forward, it'll do a faster fast forward. And then you've got a commercial skip option if you want to use that. It will fast forward 30 seconds. And then you've got replay if you want to go back and replay something. And then you've got a program button. Then for the DVD side, you can skip forward with the next button. You've got a repeat function if you want to have it repeat something. And then you've got your display options as well. And then on the front panel of it, you have a power button right here. And then another input that's for recording onto VHS from pretty much any other device. And then you have a VCR eject, record, and channel buttons. And then over here you have DVD VCR. You can switch between the two with that button. And then for the DVD side you have stop, rewind, play, pause, fast forward, and eject. So that's pretty much all there is for this GoVideo DVD VCR combo. It's got some nice features. It's really easy to use and easy to set up, and it makes it a little more convenient, your sound system, so that you don't have so many components. But if you want to order one, make sure you get it from forlolo.net. for the best guarantees, and you can order over the phone or you can get it on our online store.